How to upgrade to Narva low and LED high beam headlight bulbs on a VF Holden Commodore. First, you will need to determine which is the correct globe and performance for you. We have chosen the Narva Platinum Plus 130. This globe gives the best mix of increased light and whiter light. Always refer to the vehicle's handbook and make sure the vehicle is turned off. To upgrade the low beam globe, you may find it easier to remove the front wheels for better access. Remove the 6 screws holding in the guard and fold it back to gain access to the back of the headlight. Now simply remove the dust cap on the back of the headlight by twisting it anti-clockwise. Then remove the globe connector at the back of the light globe and unclip the wire clip. Remove the old globe by twisting or pulling the globe out. Check the orientation of the globe locator tab. It is now time to insert your new Narva globe. It is important not to touch the glass on the globe and make sure the tab on the globe is facing down. Replace the wire clip, plug the globe connector back into the back of the globe, turn on the headlight ensuring it works correctly, and replace the dust cap. Now screw the guard back into place and refit the wheel if removed. To upgrade the high beam globes, open the vehicle's bonnet. Remove the dust cap and twist and pull the old globe out. Next, unplug the globe connector by squeezing the tabs to release the plug. Take your new Narva Ultima L.E.D Performance globe, insert it into the headlight assembly and twist into place. Now plug in the LED driver unit and securely place the driver. This can be done by using double-sided tape or cable ties. Finally, turn on the headlights to ensure your new globes are working before replacing the dust cap.